Hello! For today's recipe we will cook tuna and veggie patties. These are the ingredients. For these recipe, I will use this Century Tuna Premium Red Chunks in water. I am looking for a canned tuna with low sodium content and I found this. Let's start. Using a fork, mash it gently to reduce its texture. Now, add the chopped cabbage and grated carrot. Also add the grated potato, grated chayote, add the chopped onion. Now, it's time for the spices. Add the paprika, white ground pepper, garlic powder and a bit of ginger powder. Add some oats flour. Don't forget the eggs. Yay! Let's now mix all the ingredients together. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. You may also add a pinch of salt to taste. Now, on a heated pan, add some oil then fry the mixture. Mold it like a mini pancake. After frying, you now have this golden brown tuna and veggie patties ready to be served. Since I have prepared a lot of mixture and it's more than enough for my toddler's meal for today, I'll show you a hack to prolong its shelf life. Go, get your muffin pan. Using a brush, spread some oil on it. Put your mixtures on those holes and we'll bake it later. Place your muffin pan with the mixture on the oven, then bake it. Bake it for 20 minutes under 140 degrees Celsius. After baking, these will be the result. Let it cool down. Then, I place the baked patties inside the Ziploc. These are now ready to be placed inside the fridge. You may pan fry or put it in the microwave whenever you need these patties to be served to your toddler.